Hey guys, and welcome. We are going to go over the Unit 2 study guide today. So this should have been taken already on Schoology, and now you should just be going through the answers. It is going to be a two-part video just so I can get the explanations all to you. So let's go ahead and get started. Number 1 says graph y equals x. What will happen to the graph if the equation is changed to y equals x plus 4? So I'm just going to go ahead and make a quick graph. So y equals x goes through the origin, and it is a straight line. Y equals x plus 4, 2, 3, 4, has a y-intercept of 4 and is the same line. Okay, so what happened? We literally just shifted up 1, 2, 3, 4. So vertically shifts up 4 units. Which of the following are functions? Select all that applies. So remember, a function is something that does not have a repeating x value. So no repeating x values. So if we look right here, I can see that I have 1 x value, 2, and then right here, this 9 is showing up twice. So this would not be a function, and we are looking for not a function. So this is good to go. This table, I'm looking at my x values. I've got a -3 here and a -3 here, so this is not a function. These coordinate points, I've got a -6, 5, 0, -2, so that is a function. Here I have a -2, -1, 0, 2, 5, so this is a function. So my only answers are A and B. Those two would not be functions, and we were looking for not. And on the test, make sure you're careful with that wording of not or is, because you don't want to get that wrong. Next one we have, if you were to graph the points on the following table, would it create a horizontal or vertical line? So really quick, horizontal, left to right, vertical, top to bottom. So let's go ahead and make a quick graph. 6, 7, and I see I go 1, 2, 3, 4. First point is at 3, 4, so 3, 4. Next point is at 5, 4. And the next point is at 7, 4. So this line goes left to right, creating a horizontal line. So essentially for this question, all you would need to do is graph the points. So remember, this is the point. This is my x, y value. So 3, 4, 5, 4, and 7, 4. You just graph all 3 and you're good to go. Next question, utilizing the blank line test, I am able to determine if a graph is or is not a function. Choose one option for each blank. So if I had a graph, really any type of graph, to determine if it's a function, I'm always going to draw a line like this. And check to see how many times it touches. So this would be a vertical line. Yes, it is a straight line, but it is vertical. Let's go to the next problem. So which two graphs have the same range? So my range, I am looking at y values only. So y values only. Not looking at x values. So right here, if I see this one, I go from 0 to 4. This one, I go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 to 9. And this one, I go from 0 to 4. So less than equal to 4. 0 less than equal to y less than equal to 9. 0 less than equal to y less than equal to 4. So my two that match are A and C. We have, what is the range of the function f of x equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 4 when the domain is 4, 6, and 8? So remember our domain. Domain is just our x values. So range is our y values or our output. So we are inputting these into here and getting an output. So I'm going to start. I always just start by doing parentheses for all the x's. This way I can see what I have. And I have 3 different inputs, so I'm going to do this 3 times. The reason I do this is just to make sure that I'm inputting the correct x every single time. So first one is going to be 4. So 4 here, a 4 there. The next one is going to be a 6 here, a 6 there. And the last one is going to be an 8. 8 here, 8 there. From this point, you can use a calculator. It really is your choice. So I'm just going to quick math it. So 4 squared is 16. 16 times 3, let's do that over here. 16 times 3. So it's 48 minus 8 is 40 plus 4 is 44. So already I can see I ended up with a positive 44. So I'm going to eliminate C and I'm going to eliminate B. So now I'm only left with 2 answer choices, A and D. So next one, I've got 36. 36 times 3 is 108 minus 12. So 108 minus 12 is 96. Plus 4 is 100. Okay, so then cross that one out, and I don't have to do the last one. You can if you want to, but I can see that it's going to be 180 because that is my other choice. And actually, I would go ahead and do that one just in case. You never know. On the test, you may end up with all wrong answers, and then you can just tell me and I will let you know if that's right. But I already know this is 180, so we're good to go there.